Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your Microsoft 365 license includes Teams and Exchange Online, because Outlook pulls presence and meeting info from both. Once done, update Outlook to the latest build so the Teams add-in is supported. Sign into Teams and Outlook with the same work account and restart both apps. This registers the add-in. If you're an admin, enable Teams meeting policy in the Admin Center first. Otherwise, skip to adding the add-in in Outlook. Now you enable the Teams add-in inside Outlook. In Outlook, go to File, Options, Add-ins. At the bottom, choose Manage, COM Add-ins, and click Go. Once the dialog opens, check Microsoft Teams Meeting Add-in for Microsoft Office and click OK. This registers the ribbon control. Make sure Outlook runs as a normal user, not admin, because add-ins load under standard privileges. After enabling, restart Outlook and verify the calendar shows a Teams meeting button, so you can finish by testing. Create a calendar event and click Teams meeting. Outlook should insert the join link automatically. If it doesn't appear, disable other COM add-ins that may conflict, then restart Outlook. If that fails, repair Office or reinstall Teams so the add-in registers. Also confirm Exchange Web Services and Teams meeting policy are enabled for your account if you're an admin. One key troubleshooting tip: run Outlook without elevated privileges and ensure both apps use the same account. That resolves most registration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.